everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite dessert, carrot cake. It's the perfect dessert for any occasion. So let's get started. So in a bowl, you want to cream together oil, brown sugar and granulated sugar. Now I'll mix in eggs and vanilla extract. Now I'll scrape the sides of the bowl and also the bottom so that everything is well combined. Now I'll add in the carrots. I'll fold it in the mixture and then I'll just set it aside. So now I'll get started with the dry ingredients. So in a bowl, I'll combine together flour, salt, baking soda, baking powder, cinnamon powder, nutmeg, and allspice. And I'll just mix them all together. I'll gradually mix the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients, alternating with milk until well combined. If you have reached this far in the video, I would like to thank you for your support. You can continue to support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below in the comment section and tell me what do you think about this video. If you haven't as yet subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you will be the first to be notified each time I upload a new recipe. Continue watching. Now to my prepared cake pan that I greased and floured, I'll pour the batter inside, and then I will bake this at 175 degrees Celsius in a preheated oven for about 1 hour. Once the cake is cooled, I frost with cream cheese frosting. And there you have it, guys. A delicious, moist carrot cake with cream cheese frosting. Oh, come on. Who can resist that? That's one of my favorite desserts, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, leave a comment in the comment section, and subscribe for more.